Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Glory Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Glory Fit application to send the notifications to our watch. So, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications, and on this list, find the Glory Fit application. It's right here, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also, you can tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications option is enabled. Once you enable both options, go back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth and tap on it. Once you open the Bluetooth settings, you should see the W03 watch on the list of my devices. Now tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Glory Fit application on our phone, or iPhone rather. After you open the application, you will see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and here find the option called phone, SMS, and app. Basically, three types of notifications: phone, SMS, and app. First, let's tap on phone, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for phone, so basically for calls, by tapping on the switch. And we have when the phone is ringing, the device will vibrate, and when the phone is ringing, the touch or long press device will hang up the phone call. And you can enable or disable these options. Okay. Next, we have the SMS, and here we can enable phone has a message, the device will vibrate. Basically, if you receive the message on your phone, your watch will vibrate. And then we have app, and we can tap on it, and here we can enable notifications for applications. As you can see, we can tap on the switch next to the app to enable or disable the notifications for it. Enable or disable the notifications for the apps you like. And if you don't see the app you want to enable the notifications for on this list right here, you can enable the option called Other. If you enable this option, it will enable the notifications for the apps that are not on this list, basically. And once you're done customizing your notification settings, you can close this application, and you should be able to receive the notifications now. So, I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message on our iPhone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification menu. And here you can tap on the notification to read it, or you can clear it by tapping on the bin icon. Come on, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.